Hello, what I have in my hand now is the latest release Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 series has 4 colors. The one I have in my hand is its main color, dark shadow blue. This blue is very textured, very much like the classic starry blue color on the Note 8. Besides this blue, this time there are 3 other colors, Starry Night Silver, Secret Shadow Black, and the Samsung Mall exclusive color, Light Blue Green. Which one do you like the most? Anyway, in terms of design, Samsung definitely has nothing to say. The product power of this major foldable phone has improved greatly. First of all, its slimness and lightness can really be said to be unmatched. Firstly, this phone weighs 215 grams. This is already the lightest foldable phone in the entire industry. On a very light basis, its thickness control is also very good. The thickness of this generation's folded state is only 8.9 mm, basically on par with the first tier. And then, when it's unfolded, its thickness is 4.2 mm. This is similar to the current Honor and other phones. The progress is very significant. So this time, its external screen, holding it no longer feels like a remote control's aspect ratio. Its internal screen has been expanded to 8 inches. After folding it, its external screen size is 6.5 inches. It's a 21:9 screen, which should be a more common solution in the industry now. The reason it's lighter than other competitors is its innovation in materials. The first is the hinge. This time, the hinge is called the Armor Super Close Hinge. The weight reduction exceeds half. It also uses a larger water drop-shaped hinge. This can improve the crease situation. Looking at it from the front, there's basically no impact. Indeed, its crease width is not that wide. Secondly, in terms of screen weight reduction, this time it also uses an aluminum alloy protective layer. And on the outer screen, it uses the same Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The middle frame is made of armor aluminum. It has certain rigidity, and at the same time, the weight control is very light. This generation feels very comfortable to hold. In terms of imaging, there's a certain trade-off. This time, it uses a 200-megapixel main camera. The overall resolution is definitely not an issue. 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle, 10-megapixel telephoto. You can see that its protrusion control is very good. In terms of screen unlocking, it uses a side fingerprint sensor. One advantage is that the position of this side fingerprint is lower compared to products like the Mate X6, making it very easy to press. Another trade-off is that this time, Samsung still has its inherited 4400 mAh battery. Compared to the previous generation, there is no improvement. But its advantages are also there. The whole series uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, and it's a special version for Galaxy. The performance is very outstanding. So if you care about the gaming experience, then Samsung can give you a better experience. The second point is that it still has IP48 water and dust resistance. In terms of the system, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 also debuted with One UI 8. In terms of AI functions, there are some additions. We can see that this time, in terms of shopping, there will be more capabilities, including the eraser for audio and video. These functions have all been upgraded. Due to time constraints for shooting today, we won't elaborate. Alright, the above is the quick hands-on content of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. What do you think of this phone?